Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're making bubble mixture. So if you already know how to make it, great. But there'll be a different way to me, but I know that it makes bubbles. So all you need is a cup to put the water in. And all you need is your soap. Whatever type of soap. And get a floss to mix it or whatever you use. And you will need the floss later. Now you use the floss, dip it in the water. And you'll see that you have bubble mixture. Then blow in it. I don't know if this will work. It might work with you. No, I make a bubble, but then it doesn't come off. Can't make it go. Well, I hope you like this video. If it works at your house, well done, but it doesn't work with me. So that was just a test to see if it would work. Because you might have something different that will work. But yeah. You could try making something that you think will work, and I'll have a think and see if it worked on the next video. If it does work, because I'm getting some ideas, then you will see me. Bye!